See how this little trivet works. So I'm going to try out the little 8-inch Dutch oven and see how that trivet works. A little small roast, and let's see how this turns out. Get the fire started. So I'm gonna use this as lighter fluid for this. If I were gonna be cooking meat, something over the charcoal, I'd just use paper. It works good. You know, I don't know, would the alcohol give it a different flavor or whatever, but it works. So it's another thing. I guess they're totally against really using an 8-inch Dutch oven. This right here is a stand where whenever you take the lid off, you can set the lid on. Supposedly you can take it and turn the lid upside down and put coals under it and use it to cook. But it doesn't fit. Either way, on an 8-inch. So if you see how that is, almost guaranteed if you set your lid on that, it's going to slip one way or the other. Same on the, if you're going to try and cook. I think I'm going to try and bend these in a little bit more because I bought this one just for this 8-inch. But that was one of the things that they said, well, you know, you can use it as a lid lifter. So that's all it's good for right now, is just a lid lifter. I mean, it's a neat idea. Got a good control over the lid, but as far as for an 8-inch, it's not any good. I believe if I bend these in, that'll make it work out. So let's see what happens. Yeah, that's hot enough. this little trivet works. And we'll try and get some green beans in here after it cooks. They're frozen, so probably a couple hours after this gets going good. Now it's got it where the lid's going to be hitting that probably. Yep. So I could have. It'll shrink down. I'll keep the coals off the top of this for a little while. As it cooks, it'll shrink down some. Let me put a few on the top, around the edges. That's smelling pretty good too. Need some more water. I need some more water. Let's check this out. That's pretty much done. Green beans need to cook just a little bit longer. So this turned out really well. The green beans, a little less flavorful than in the large Dutch oven, and that's probably because they don't, they sit on top of everything and basically get steamed. Where on the larger Dutch oven, they're down in the same broth that forms while the roast is cooking. And as it renders fat out and shrinks, you know, even more of them get down in that. But that was a little bit larger roast than I thought. Maybe next time, it's way more than I could eat. You know, probably easily 2 people this would feed. Next time I'll do it with a little bit smaller roast, because I'll just be cooking for myself probably the next time I use it. And the green beans will get down in there a little better and get a little more flavor. Other than that, I'm really pleased how it turned out. The trivet kept it off the bottom. It didn't burn. So I'll mark this down as a win. So I'll finish eating this, and I gotta pick up, and I'm gonna head on back to the house. Thanks for watching.